Hi, this is Dan from 1066 IT Support, and today we're looking at Excel's DateDif function. I've created a very basic spreadsheet which has two dates within it. We're then going to use Excel's DateDif function to determine the years, the months and the days between the two dates. So we're first going to determine the amount of years between the two dates. So in column D4 we type the following: equals DateDif, open bracket, B4, comma, C4, comma, speech mark, Y, speech mark, close bracket. Now when we run this, it shows us there are 39 years between the two dates. We're next going to try and determine the amount of months between the two dates. So in column E4 we type the following: equals DateDif, open bracket, B4, comma, C4, comma, speech mark, M, speech mark, close bracket. Now when we run this, it shows us there are 479 months between the two dates. We're now going to try and determine the amount of days between the two dates. So in column F4 we type in the following: equals DateDif, open bracket, B4, comma, C4, comma, speech mark, D, speech mark, close bracket. Now when we run this, it shows us there are 14,605 days between the two dates. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.